Whirlpool Freezer Repair Services in Los Angeles specialize in Whirlpool freezer repair that consists of Whirlpool refrigerator freezer repair, Whirlpool chest freezer repair, Whirlpool Gold freezer repair, and all other Whirlpool freezer models. If your Whirlpool freezer's not cooling, or your freezer's not working, your freezer runs all the time, or your freezer's leaking water, maybe your freezer has defrost drain problems, or the freezer coils are frosting up, maybe the freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.